got
moving.
good stuff.
Keep
You
moving.
get your house.
Keep moving.
I cleaned your house.
You clean your own house.
Anybody else,
Fuck out.
I ain't never
Get
disrespect.
moving.
But if I'm
moving.
wrong for that,
Get
but I'm
moving.
trying to be a friend,
I don't need
you
no
ain't got
friends.
nobody
Just keep
else.
on moving.
But the thing is, I'm a friend because I couldn't do that. What them other people did to you, they're pissing your garbage can. They do what they do because at the end of the day, down the street, they ain't got
They
nothing.
got homeless shelters.
No, well, I got a house.
Basically, we had to come over here and kick some people out because they're coming in here at night and tearing up the place. They're pissing in the garbage cans. They're in here drinking. They're finding a place to get warm. You know, you think, okay, this is a real easy business to run. It's not. There's a lot of work involved, right, Willie?
Yeah.
What do you think of the laundromat?
Well, there's some work in it.
Whenever you show up to your laundromat and you see that, this is a bulkhead. See this lid? This should be down a little ways. Somebody decided to open that up, and I'm not 100% sure why. So it's never a good sign when you see that in the laundromat. See here, this one's closed. Now some of you guys want me to talk about this bulkhead a little bit more. And I'm gonna pick this one up and show you. And that's what it is. Big copper lines that run down one side and the other. You have your cold and your hot. Now, when I built my laundromat, I used red washer hoses for the hot side, and then I used the blue for the cold side. Sounds like a weird thing to do, but when you're unhooking these machines, that's the last thing you remember is, hey, what's hot and what's cold? And down below here is your drain line. And see, that's how they're plumbed in. Now there's a clean out on this one from this end, and it dumps down into a basin, which is underneath there. And then that pipe runs all the way down there behind all the machines. Now it's stubbed out. If you see, there's like stubs here. And there's also fittings that aren't used yet. And then there's wiring for more. I designed this laundromat so on this side I could put top loaders or hard mounts up against it. So it's already plumbed for it because I never knew if this laundromat was going to get super busy. I also, in this spot, plumbed for another 30-pounder. If I ever found another one that had the same style, because I wanted them all to match, even though those are older, they work perfectly fine. There's no reason. Like I said before, if there's machines that work perfectly good, there's no reason not to use older machines. Now you can see these have those older coin drops on them instead of the fancy ones I'll show you here in a minute. But it works perfectly fine, so why not use it? It makes me money. The newer style coin drop is when you see a speed queen that looks like that. Now these are still about 10 years old. These are basically 20-pounders. And you see how much smaller that door is than those Horizons? People don't like using this because that door is so small. The sad part is these 20-pounders, hard mounts, stainless steel washers can hold more than a Horizon that you saw me putting that water valve in. But the customers look at that Horizon and they see how big that door is. They go, oh, it's bigger just because of the door. It's psychological. And the other thing customers really like is the fact it's painted white. It looks like a home unit. It looks like it's easier to use. Because when people come into these laundromats and they see all these stainless steel machines, they get intimidated because they think they're high tech and commercial, and they don't realize they're real simple to run. So, just one of those things to keep in mind when you're buying machines. Have some white ones, have some soft mounts in there, unless you have a real rough area where they're going to tear them up. I guarantee you're going to get business out of them. So.
We gotta make sure we got some weapons on us first.
Oh, two of them.
All right, keep moving. Keep moving.
We at your house.
Keep moving.
I cleaned your house.
You clean your own
Well,
house.
anybody
Get the
else,
fuck out.
I ain't never
Get
disrespect.
moving.
But
Get
if I'm
moving.
wrong for that,
Get
for I'm
moving.
trying to be a friend,
I don't need
You
no
ain't got
friends.
nobody
Just keep
else.
on moving.
but the thing is, I'm a friend because I couldn't do that. What them other people did to you, they're pissing your garbage can. They do what they do because they live down the
Yeah,
street
just
and they
keep
ain't got
moving. We
nothing.
got homeless shelters.
No,
We got
well,
plenty
I
of
got a
places for
house.
you. You got a
I
house.
got another house. I ain't never lost. I live. And he got a house too. He got a wife and everything else. Family. Come on, cuz. If I'm wrong for that, I ain't never disrespect you.
Keep going. Come on.
I did clean your house for you.
Keep on.
Watch your camera. Come here, cuz. Look, I got a place for you.
Let's go.
Swear to God. I got extra good. Let me help you. Please, let me help you. Let me keep you there. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Just keep
I
moving.
don't mean nothing.
Just keep moving.
But truth is truth. Watch your camera. I see.